In today's video, we are going to be looking at charts and graphs, and we are going to start off with bar charts. When to use a bar chart in Excel, or why being a data analyst. Now, many of us do not actually know when to use the different types of charts provided in Excel or other data analytical platforms. We do not know when to use any charts. We just go ahead and use charts that are appealing to the eyes or we feel will suit the data set. Each chart have a specific data it goes to. But today we are going to be focusing on when to use a bar chart. Now, you use a bar chart when comparing categorical data. You use a bar chart when you need to compare different categories or discrete groups of data. Number two, you use a bar chart when you want to display ranking and order, like when you want to show the top selling products, the highest revenue generated in different departments. You also use a bar chart when you want to visualize changes over time. When changes over time involve discrete data points that are not continuous, example, annual sales by product. So you use a bar chart when you want to visualize such changes over time. You also use a bar chart when you want to highlight significant data points, when you want to emphasize significant data points or compare them against a certain benchmark or target. You also use a bar chart when you want to show distribution. You want to show the distribution of data across different categories or groups. Now with me here, we have a very mini data set, region against sales. The sales made in different regions. That is when you want to apply a bar chart in comparing different categories you get. So now I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and visualize this data set using a bar chart. The first thing you want to do is to highlight the entire data set. So after you've highlighted the entire data set, you come to your insert. I'm already in my insert. I go over and I click more column charts. And then when I come down, I see my bar chart. Now I'm going to click on OK. And there we have it. Now, this bar chart is not done. We still need to do a lot of touching, editing, and whatsoever. You do not just present this on your dashboard. Now, what are the things to keep in mind when using a bar chart? The first thing, you want to make sure that there's a consistent spacing between the bars to avoid confusion. You can see that being displayed there. You want to also make sure that you decide whether you want your bars to be horizontal or vertical. So vertical bars are used for time series, while horizontal are best when your data set involves longer category names or when comparing many categories, as in this case. You also want to take note of color usage. You use distinct and consistent colors for different categories. You do not want to have a situation whereby you are drawing undue attention to your bar chart just because you're using multiple colors. The title and description. You can adjust the title by just clicking on it. You could use any title suitable for you, probably region, or you could say sales by region, which is much better. You get, and then sorting. You need to sort your bars in a very meaningful order. Most of the times when we display our charts, they are not sorted. You could just see the difference, probably the bigger one on top, close to a smaller one, next to a bigger one, and stuff like that can be very difficult. So you need to sort your bar chart. This bar chart is already sorted, as you can see it. West is the smallest, followed by north, followed by east, and followed by south. There's a consistency in the bar chart. The bar chart order is not disorganized. You could also do it in any way that you want. Okay, now look at how this bar chart is. It's now disorganized. You can see it's not as it used to be before. So in order to correct this and make your bar charts to be in a very suitable order, all you have to do is to select your data sets. Once that is done, you come to data and you come to sort. Now, what are you sorting by? You're sorting by your sales, and your sales is in column C, and you want it to be from the largest to the smallest. And there we have it. It's much better and way more presentable. If you want all these your data labels, probably you do not like the color or you want to change one or two things about it, all you have to do is to click on it and you come over here and you have a lot of options. Then you can edit it.